All right, today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in a Braun ThermoScan thermometer. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have the thermometer and it's inside of its case right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the thermometer out of the case. All right, and so I have it right here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at the bottom part of the thermometer. So I'm going to go down here and you see there's a little nub right here where I can insert my finger. All right, I want you to see what I'm doing right now. So that's the top of the thermometer and this is the bottom. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to actually hold the thermometer and then take my finger and then pull up on here, and this cap comes off and exposes the batteries. All right, and so here are the batteries in here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the batteries out. All right, I'm going to take the batteries out. And then I'm going to get new batteries. All right, but before I put the new batteries in, I want to look at how the batteries are supposed to be lined up. As you can see on this side right here, the nub side is going down. So I'm going to take the new battery. All right, I'm going to take the new battery with the nub, and I'm going to place it inside right here. All right, and then on this side, the nub is facing north that way, and so I'm going to take the nub, and then I'm going to place it in north. All right, so once I have those batteries in, I'm going to take the cap and slide it back in until it clicks into place. And then to check to see if the batteries are working, I'm going to actually go on right here and turn the device on, just power it on. See, like that, I just powered it on. It is working. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.